Alright guys, so at the beginning of the day, actually welcome back first of all, but first of all started out making up these can lights 1, 2, and 3. Then I went back and stapled all the wire down the hallway, and then I went around to the rooms and hooked up these fan, whatever they're called, fan coils or some kind of air conditioning fan or whatever. So I went ahead and hooked those up and then attached the box for the disconnects. So there's 8 of those, so I went around and did all 8 of those. There's 2 right here, and there's like 2 this hallway and a few in those rooms, and then a few in those rooms or whatever, so there's 8 of them total. So I went around and did that. Then I drilled a couple holes through the wall up here. One of the holes has this pipe through it, or the wire, or the pipe, and then actually another hole right there. So I drilled that hole and drilled that hole, but I used that other hole. So I drilled a couple holes through the block wall, which is like a foot thick, and then I went over here and hooked up these wires. So, stuck all these wires in the boxes, stapled them down. Might have to redo that one, bring the wires in closer, kind of like that, but stuck those in, and then stuck these in right here. So that pretty much wrapped up my day. And then just went around sweeping up the rest of the day. Just a little bit right there, but usually at the end of the day, the last 15 to 30 minutes, we usually do a pretty good clean up, sweeping the floors and stuff like that. So anyways, that's gonna wrap up my day because it's getting really loud. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by, I highly appreciate it. Thanks for taking the time out of your day just to watch my video. Just means a lot to me. Had a really good day, just fighting my mind again, which is just wonderful. So anyways, I hope you guys had a great weekend. I did for the most part. It was pretty wonderful. And if you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you drop a like and subscribe. That'd be wonderful. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you later.